So, these are 10 cool things to do with your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you watch a lot of YouTube videos and some of them have background noise, you can simply swipe down and tap right here that says Audio Eraser. This will help you get rid of that background noise. Also, you can change its intensity levels from low to high, and it works great, by the way. The noise gets reduced a lot. You can also try it out with many different third-party apps, and it works with all of them. Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a new privacy display feature that you can turn on by swiping down and tapping right here. Then you can tap here to further change its settings, like if you want to go for a maximum privacy display, or if you want to use privacy display for certain apps, passwords, or pins, or for those notification pop-ups. Privacy display is a cool feature, but it slightly reduces the display quality. The best thing would be to automate it using modes and routines. For example, when it disconnects from my home Wi-Fi network, the privacy display will be turned on automatically, meaning that I have left for work and now privacy display is turned on. And it will turn off automatically whenever my phone gets connected with the home Wi-Fi network. Next up, Galaxy S26 Ultra has a new option to edit images just by using a text prompt. This is not available yet on any other Galaxy phone. Simply tap on an image and choose Galaxy AI. Now, tap on Create and write whatever text prompt you have in mind. You can also add any reference image here too, and it works surprisingly really well. Similarly, in Gallery, Private Album is sitting here by default, so no need to enable it using Samsung Gallery Labs. Whatever image or video you want to hide, just long press on it and choose Move to Private Album. Private Album is locked, and photos stored here do not show up anywhere. You need a fingerprint or password to unlock Private Album. This is a better option than Secure Folder, but it uses the same gallery instead of creating a new gallery in Secure Folder. The camera on Galaxy S26 Ultra has one really cool feature, and that is Horizon Lock. In order to use that feature, make sure you are in video mode, then tap here on the second icon at the top. Now, choose this third option. Horizon Lock will now be activated. Just see how well it works. I think it is a really cool option on Galaxy phones this year. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Then, if you swipe down and tap on this pencil icon, you can edit the layout of the quick panel. This is only possible with the One UI 8.5 update. This will also gradually roll out to previous Samsung phones too. But for now, it is available right out of the box on Galaxy S26 Ultra. Recently, Samsung pushed an update for Galaxy S26 Ultra that enables this phone to send and receive files via AirDrop. Yes, AirDrop is now finally working on Samsung phones. Just make sure you have enabled this option of AirDrop on iPhone that says Everyone for 10 minutes. You can even use this feature with iPads and Macs. So now you can surprise your friends by having their iPhone feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can unlock the new Superfast Charging 3.0 on your Galaxy phone, but for that you need a new 65-watt adapter that supports it. If you're using the old 45-watt adapter, it will show Superfast Charging 2.0, but using the new one will unlock Superfast Charging 3.0. It is really fast, like going from 0 to 75% in only 30 minutes. Galaxy S26 Ultra also has a new Now Nudge option. This helps you autofill information on different websites and suggest replies based on the text you receive. Make sure you have enabled it by going to Settings, then tap on Galaxy AI, and now you will see Now Nudge here. Just tap it and make sure it is turned on. So those were 10 cool things that you can try out with your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section about your favorite Galaxy S26 Ultra feature. And with that said, I will catch you in the next one.